Vincent, thank you for talking to Motor India. Tell us the 11th edition of Busworld Turkey. We already have a successful edition. What are your feedback and takeaways from the show so far?
Thank you again for interviewing me. We met in India, of course. We met in Indonesia also, and now the third time in a row in 2026 Busworld Turkey. Busworld Turkey, again, very successful. A long history with Busworld as an organization. Busworld in Turkey is important. Why? We have a lot of bodybuilders, OEMs, international OEMs working and having their factories here in Turkey. The region is geostrategical, very important, geopolitical important, and for the industry, very important.
Do you see Turkey, evolving? Because we saw number of participants gone up. We also saw the square meters in floor going up. So, as someone who organizes this edition, do you see Turkey's potential evolving just from assembly powerhouse to a global sourcing platform?
Absolutely. Turkey is rapidly increasing their exports because of the fact that the demand of buses worldwide in crowded environments, in big cities following the urbanization is really in stake now. So Turkey is really setting out the pace and following this demand worldwide. And yeah, because of the fact that Busworld was active here a long time ago, we are benefiting from this platform, this moment, and this situation now.
And it's also good to see the homegrown Turkish manufacturers like Temsa, BMC, Carson, Otokar being present here. How do you see their amalgamation partnership with the other global suppliers and players? Because we also have people from Germany, Italy, and the rest of the world. How do you see the synergy between these companies in terms of not just producing for Turkey but for Europe? And what is the role that Busworld want to play going forward?
Yeah. As I always say, Busworld is the platform, the interface between buyers and sellers. The buyers, the operators, the sellers, the bus builders, the OEMs and the suppliers. What is the role of Turkey and of the existing brands today is that they give a bus they give differentiation into the market with their buses, and they are a fierce competitor to China, to Chinese buses, to Indian buses, and to, of course, European buses with a high standard of comfort, of reliability, and with a good mix of price and technicity.
And as Busworld International, someone who successfully does the show in Brussels every 2 years, you then have been busy with the India conclave, then the Jakarta, and now Turkey. What next? What can be the learnings that Busworld International observes and want to bring to all the regional markets?
Yeah. What I personally experienced during the intense events we had the last months, I start to understand the real equation and what is the task of Busworld and the internationalization and the fact that we are present all over the world to be a gateway into the market and a secured partner for companies who want to sell their products, who want to voice out, who want to share content, who want to speak. We really feel that Busworld is really the place to be.
Going forward, what is your vision for Busworld Turkey and for other nations? What value and differentiation you would want to add as Busworld International?
Yeah. We definitely believe that following the international demand and the increasing demand of buses and coaches on all levels, Turkey will grow and the exhibition will follow as such. So for the next event in 2028, we are already thinking to take an extra hall to grow with 1/3. Internationally, we are positioning ourselves, Busworld, with live events, but live events needs a lot of preparation, needs a good partnership. We need a lot of parameters to be on set to have this live event. So we are also investing in the digitalization, and we want to be ahead, and we want to be in front, and Busworld Plaza is giving us a broader expansion day and night all over the world. Everyone can connect. We will share, and we are sharing industry insights, business news. We will give the opportunity for companies to be every day in front of that digital platform to show their products, and buyers, they will be able to buy products, to get in contact with people the whole day around, the whole year around. Like we do in our events, we will continue in a digital way.
Wonderful. So you will have physical, digital, and of course the learning platform with conferences going around.
Absolutely.
Perfect. Thank you for your time, Vincent. We wish you all the best for all the plans.
Thank you for interviewing me.
Lovely.